What is up, everyone? Welcome to another video. Today we will be playing Twisted. Yes, I do have to Twisted Divide Twister Hammer. I do like it. Pretty nice. Got some only 5 fireworks, not much. But I do like this. Yeah, I'm gonna hit up a little bit more. I do tend to see that most. I'm just gonna hit up to that right there. Because most storms start here and then they'll develop up there, so we're just gonna hit up this right here. It's how I like to play. I would be flung off the road already if it was the day before something, guys. Nice storm chaser for now. So high day. 5300K. Alright. Oh. Oh, look at that. Storm developing here. Oh, okay. Yeah, definitely developing. I wonder if I want to head over to Hazelton. I'm head over to Hazelton. Yeah, guys, I don't kind of know a lot of stuff, but it is okay. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I'm heading over to Hazelton. Might head up to Hazelton, like go next over here. Holy, dang. Jeez. Uh, like, oh yeah. This one looks like it'll definitely have potential for tornado. But it's definitely gonna be more up here, so I should go Florida. And this divide. It's gonna come up here, guys. I don't know if that was gonna come up here, but it wasn't fully sure. But most things do tend to go. Oh, I did not see that. So now I'm just if it'll start coming up here, if not, then I might just get that. I should just go over to this anymore. I don't have it for me. Hmm. Okay. Some bastards. Bastards. Look at this. Look at the rain. Well, these new flat animations. Hmm. Oh yeah, W. Oh, what is that? It's always an interesting animal. Because everything out of animal village, but I feel like this is way cheaper than that. Check for something. See people have a tornado touching down over there. Looks like we might have a second storm coming in. Gotta get going. Honestly, I might just turn on the gun. Not pretty. Anyone even know? I don't think anyone's going to. We got retimer? Oh, wait, we got retimer. That's pretty cool for this. But I'm not scared of it. I was just remember. I tried to know if I can overturn it. Right. Made it back. Let's do it. 45 miles per hour. That's pretty cool. A little much from what I thought. I think I hear you. Sorry. Yeah, I did. I just came out of the barn, guys. I've been waiting for it more forever. It sounds like the key of a fire truck. That's literally what it is. Right, oh, there we got funnel. Looks like it could turn into a barrel. Yeah, this is just straight dust down there and rain. I think that's right. Probably gonna die. What's my luck? Well, it looks like it's going, so. But I like this about this. This tunnel goes really good on food. Looks like it might be actually rain. Weird. Why is that so small? Honestly, I don't think I missed it, or it's just not going at all. Yeah, I missed it, dang it. I found it twice. No, this is only, yeah. It might be easier, Sierra. This speed, I could just drive right through it. But I wasn't. Oh. Look, you have 4 if too. Oh, look at that. This is twisted rumors going on today. I love that. Oh, I gotta get there so fast. Forward. Oh, yeah. I'm here. You're going to road. Get in. Oh, I got it. No, I was just, oh, get your rockets. I don't care. Get your rockets. We're going to give you on the outside. Which way did I go? See, I'm used to like Euro C type, kind of, or like the signs down at detail. I think that might be a good idea too. I can catch up to all of these guys. Wait. I was a Tiv 2 and Tiv 1 ahead of this Twister. I don't like having to do a Twister game. It makes sense for this little guy. Guy ain't even a scout. This guy got it by the scout. Please, this guy got him to make it. Wait. Wait. There we go, I'm passing Tiv 1. That's in this other Twister thing. I'm not gonna stop him this round. One time before. It's probably gonna die off. But I'm okay with that. Alright. Back up my friend. Let's see. There it is. Moss is going to corner here. Hope it's gonna be. I can see a subboard. Good board. What's going on this way? I think it's gonna be great. You get a living? Bro! Don't grab it.
Tornado.
Next one's closed. I'm gonna down the floor.
Now, move to it. In the mobile home or in the vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter.
Maybe we'll set this one more time. Is that the end of the video? There we go. That's it. Oh, you have your headphones on. This one's just a race around the night. You look fast. You look that. I just have to go in the field here. I want them first. Yeah. I'm glad they added fireworks for a Twister thing. Remember, first yet, Twister chamber. I need to get a probe into this thing before it dies off. No. 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 I couldn't even listen. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching today, and hope you guys have a great day like always. See you in the next one. Peace out.